Welcome back to another lesson in our Business English Success Series, One Expression at a Time. Today, we are diving into a phrase that embodies excellence and dedication, and that's no other than to go the extra mile. This expression is all about doing more than what's expected, putting in additional effort to achieve outstanding results. It's a phrase that can set you apart in the workplace, showing your commitment to success. Let's explore its meaning, its origins, and practical applications in business English. The phrase to go the extra mile actually originates from the Bible. In ancient times, Roman soldiers would make civilians carry their own gear over a mile. So Jesus encouraged his followers to go an extra mile, to walk an additional mile voluntarily, symbolizing kindness and generosity. Today, this phrase has evolved to represent exceeding expectations in any context, particularly in business. For example, going the extra mile at work could mean staying late to finish a project, mentoring a colleague, or finding innovative solutions to challenges. Now let's dive into some cultural references of this expression. To go the extra mile is a common theme in motivational speeches and in leadership training. For instance, successful entrepreneurs often attribute their achievements to their willingness to go beyond what's required, beyond what's expected. In sports as well, this phrase is used to describe athletes who train harder and push their limits to achieve greatness. It's also a popular slogan in customer service industries. For example, the Ritz-Carlton hotels are known for their go the extra mile philosophy, ensuring exceptional guest experiences. Here are some scenarios where you might use this phrase. Number 1, in a performance review. I'm proud of how I always go the extra mile to deliver high quality. Number 2, when praising a colleague. Your willingness to go the extra mile really made a difference in the project's success. Number 3, in a team meeting. Let's all aim to go the extra mile to impress this client. Number 4, while discussing customer service. Our brand stands out because we consistently go the extra mile for our customers. And number 5, during a job interview. In my previous role, I often went the extra mile, leading to several successful campaigns. Why don't we practice using this phrase in different types of sentences? Repeat after me. Number 1. Going the extra mile can turn a good project into a great one. Number 2. She's known for always going the extra mile to help her team. Number 3. Let's go the extra mile to exceed our clients' expectations. Number 4. By going the extra mile, we can secure this partnership. And number 5, I appreciate how you went the extra mile to solve this issue. Now think about how you can apply this expression in your professional life. For example, in an email to a client, you might write, "We've taken extra steps to ensure this proposal meets your needs. We are committed to going the extra mile for your success." Or in a conversation with a colleague, you could say, Your dedication to going the extra mile inspires everyone on the team. Remember, this phrase is most effective in contexts where efforts and dedication are valued. It's a way to highlight your commitment, and it's a way to build trust with colleagues, clients, and managers. But be cautious about overusing it. Claiming to go the extra mile without backing it up with actions can diminish its impact. Instead, focus on demonstrating this quality through your behavior. To go the extra mile is a powerful expression that embodies effort, dedication, and excellence. Using this phrase can help you stand out in the workplace and strengthen your professional relationships. So think about how you can go the extra mile in your work this week. And don't forget to share your examples, your thoughts, and ideas in the comments below. Let's continue learning and growing together, one expression at a time.